Please watch the first part of this video where I have shared with you my favorite chokers and necklaces, a hathful and a statement ring from my collection. You can find the video link in the description box. Now moving on to rings, I'll show you a few of my favorites. This Afghan statement ring is my absolute favorite. Then I also have these rings that I style in a lot of my videos. So starting with this one, it's a mirror and ghungru ring that I made myself. I have a video on this, I'll link it above, you can check it out. So this mirror and ghungru ring is so stunning. It works with so many outfits. This one in particular looks really nice with indigo outfits, and it also matches so well with the mirror choker that I have. Then I have two of these. This one I had got from Surajkund Mela. It's in an antique gold finish with these turquoise bits and a red stone kind of thing in the middle, and this you've seen in a lot of my videos again. It's in golden with white and red, and it works with so many different outfits. I'll show you a few of my bangles and then we can move on to earrings. Starting with this one, it's like a ghungru bangle that I got from Westside. It's such a nice piece. This one also works with so many different outfits, and my favorite way to style bracelets and bangles is wearing them over the sleeves of my tops and dresses or blouses. I really like the look that it gives, so I really like wearing bracelets and bangles over full sleeves, tops, dresses or kurtas. Then I have these that I had got from Dilli Haat. I like stacking them and wearing them together. It's like silver bracelets with different motifs. The first one has Ganesha motifs, then this one has peacocks, and this one has paisley details. I really like the look that it gives. Then I also have these two that I feature in almost all my videos. This one I had got from Hathibaghan in Kolkata. It looks like almost real silver jewelry. I absolutely love this. Then this one I have since a long time. It belongs to one of my cousins. I think I have it forever now, and I love styling it. I usually wear these two pieces together. These are like my more recent purchase. I had shared it in my previous video as well. These are absolutely gorgeous silver bangles with these blue stones and this intricate work. These I think have to be my favorite. Moving on to something that I don't wear a lot, but I have a few pieces that I really like, so I'll just share them with you. I'm talking about earrings. I'm usually a necklace person and I don't really wear a lot of earrings, but I have a few pieces that I really like, so I'll just show them to you. Starting with this one. This is like a really pretty piece. I got it from a stall in Dilli Haat. It's like a peacock motif with these ruby stones and silver chains. It also has these pearl details. This looks almost like real silver jewelry, and I also really like it. You can pair it with a lot of different outfits. The next one I also got from the same stall in Dilli Haat. So these are like layered silver jhumkas, and it looks so pretty. I really like pairing this particular piece with this necklace. It looks really nice paired with this necklace. And since it's like a sleek necklace, it doesn't clash with statement pieces as well. These are my absolute favorite jhumkas. Let me just show you another jhumka that I have been loving. I wore it in my Sonam Kapoor outfit video. So this one has this peacock motif with a normal jhumka, but I really like the size of it and the way it looks, and also the fact that it comes with studs and not like the hooks. I really like that as well. Then I also have this pair that I had got from Hathibaghan for just 50 rupees. You can check out my Hathibaghan market tour video. I have shown this in that video as well. It's like a lotus motif on this silver base. It also has these ghungroos below. It looks really nice. It will work really well with indigo and solid off-white or black outfit. It will also go really well with any shade of pink. Next two pieces are my favorites from my Instagram store. So in case you don't know, I have an Instagram store where I sell handmade jewelry pieces, and this is one of them. It's a pair of simple silver earrings with lots of ghungroos. Such earrings usually work really well with Indian and Indo-Western outfits. It looks so pretty. And the next one that I have is this one. It has a velvet base with this pearl details and this coin motif in the middle. Also comes with coin charms and ghungroos. This one is absolutely gorgeous. This is how it looks. This will work really well with a different Indo-Western outfit. I can't wait to style this one. The next pair that I have is like a recent obsession. I had got it from Westside and I shared this in my last video. This one looks so pretty. It's like a stud with kundan details and like a crescent thing in the bottom. Also comes with these ghungroos. I really like Westside jewelry, and the next pair that I want to share is also from Westside. So I'm talking about these ear cuffs. These are like fish motifs with like a hanging bit, and they look so stunning. These are like statement pieces, but they are also not too much. I'm really glad that I found this piece. The last one that I want to share is this nose pin, and I used to style these a lot in my previous videos. There was a time when I was obsessed with nose pins. I have a bunch of them, but this particular design is my absolute favorite. So that is it. These were all the jewelry pieces that I wanted to share in this video. Let me know which one was your favorite, and also let me know what type of jewelry do you like wearing the most. Like, are you a earring person or a necklace person, or you like wearing bangles? Let me know. I'd love to know. The ones that I shared in this video are really close to my heart. These are like really precious to me. If it gets stolen or lost somehow, I'd really be heartbroken and I'd like cry for days and months. So yeah, this is all about my favorite jewelry and how I like to style them. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful to you in some way. If you liked it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do share my videos with your friends and family. It will really help me a lot. If you want, you can also connect with me on all my other social media. I'll have the links in the description box. Please do check out other videos on my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.